everyone. I'm Joy Capoterin and let's explore the parts and functions of the vehicles and come and join us.
So first is headlight. The main function of headlights is to provide illumination for safe driving in low light conditions, using the low beam for standard light and high beam for maximum distant visibility. The primary function of an automotive windshield are crucial safety and protection as it shields occupants from weather, road debris, and UV rays while also providing a clear view. Side windows allows passenger and the driver to see out of the side of the car. It is typically operable, can be rolled down or open to allow for ventilation, fresh air circulation, and to facilitate actions like paying tolls, communicating with people outside the car, or accessing drive-through services. The primary function of car roofs is to protect the occupants inside the vehicle from the weather such as sun and rain, and to provide structural integrity to the car's body. Rear window. The main function of rear window is to allow the driver to see out the back of the car. Tail light. The primary function of the tail light assembly is to communicate the vehicle's presence and action to the drivers behind it. The assembly ensures visibility with tail lights that provides a steady red light in low light conditions. Crucially, brake lights illuminate brightly when the driver slows down, signaling that the vehicle is stopping. Finally, backup reverse lights is a shine white or amber light or indicate that the car is moving backward, while the high-mounted stop light provides an additional highly visible brake signal. The function of the license plate and its light work together to ensure legal compliance and public safety. The license plate serves as the vehicle's unique official identifier essential for vehicle registration. Law enforcement checks on legal status. Example, whether it is stolen or registered, and the enforcement of traffic regulations. Next is windshield wiper. The function of windshield wiper is to maintain visibility by cleaning water, snow, and debris from the vehicle's front glass, ensuring the driver has a clear view of the road. Wheel. The wheel assembly is fundamental to a vehicle's operation, providing mobility, safety, and comfort. The wheel and tire support the car's weight and enable smooth movement, while the air-filled tire provides necessary traction for steering, accelerating, and braking. Additionally, the tire's flexibility absorbs the road shocks, enhancing passenger comfort, and the hubcap serves a decorative role while protecting the wheel hub and lug nut. Side view mirror or wing mirror. The function of the side view mirror or wing mirror is a critical safety feature that works to enhance a driver's situational awareness by providing rearward and side visibility to areas outside of their natural peripheral vision. View mirror. The rear view mirror is the crucial internal safety component designed to maximize the driver's situational awareness. Its primary role to provide essential rearward visibility by allowing the driver to monitor traffic and the area directly behind the vehicle through the rear window without having to turn their head. Seatbelt. The seatbelt or safety belt is the most critical safety device in a vehicle, functioning primarily to secure occupants firmly in their seats during a sudden stop or collision, thereby preventing them from being thrown against the interior or ejected from the vehicle. Car seat. The car seat offers comfort and ergonomic support while acting as the anchor point of the safety restraint system. The headrest is a critical safety device designed primarily to prevent whiplash by eliminating the backward movement of the head during a rear-end collision. Next is steering wheels. The steering wheel's main function is to give the driver directional control of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. It also contains the horn for auditory communication and alerting others to danger, and the crucial driver's airbag for safety in a collision. The dashboard function is to display critical operating information to the driver. This includes the speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge, and rev counter, enabling safe and efficient monitoring of the vehicle status. Pedals. Here are the functions of each. Clutch, manual transmission. Disconnect the engine from the wheels to allow the shifting gears smoothly. Brake. Slow or stop the car by applying friction to the wheels. Gas accelerator. Controls the speed of the car by increasing engine power. The emergency brake or parking handbrake primarily secures the vehicle when parked, especially in inclines, preventing it from rolling. Gear shift. The function of gear shift or also called stick shift or gear lever, is to allow the driver to select the appropriate gear for the vehicle's current driving conditions. Furthermore, the gear shift enables the driver to select reverse R, to move backward, and neutral N or park PA to disengage or lock the transmission. Muffler. The function of the muffler or silencer is to reduce the loud noise created by the combustion process in the engine.